Hi, soldiers. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Now Experts Times channel. We are watching a admin focus area series. Earlier video, I just recorded that information specifically from the security center point of view. So earlier version we call it as Instance Security Center ISC. Now that item is deprecated and ServiceNow move the same functionality to security center configuration area. So what are all the items you are seeing in the instance security center from video 3? Those all functionalities are transferred to this security center configuration. So to access this security center configuration, if you go to your left navigation pane and type security and little scroll down, in the down it will show the security center. Once you click this, it will route it to this security center configuration. So in the last video, we discussed how to improve the security score plus how to run the auditor. Based on the auditor, identify the error. The both item, that means security score improvement plus auditor, both are supporting to improve the security score plus instance platform score. So how we can access these functionality into the security center configuration, we can see in this video. So once you logged into the security center configuration, just go in this security score learning hardening. Under this security score hardening, there is an option called all settings. When you click this all settings, what it will represent is it will show the complaint status, it will show the priority. Instance security center configuration side, we discussed about this priority, that means high, medium, low. The similar type of functionalities are available here, same the priority, moderate, high, low, like that. So this item it is supporting to resolve what are all the problem currently available in your instance, it will indicate it here. So based on the indication, ServiceNow also provide the resolution details to resolve this problem. These resolution details you need to follow, you need to resolve it, like a simple configuration effort or simple plugin installation effort, like that. That's the way they will recommend that information in this resolution details. If you follow this step, what it will do, it will resolve the problem. Once it is resolved, what is the impact it will create is it will impact your score 0.51. So score wise also you can see the improvement compared to your instance security center. So score impact, in case if you are changing this property, how much score it will impact, we don't have that much clarity in the earlier version, but this version is having that much clarity. So it's little advanced compared to instance security center. The score impact is clearly indicated. If you change this much improvement, it will happen in your score. So that is a major difference you can see in this newer version. Older version, the score impact will not reflect it. Only it will show the name, complaint, and where the problem it is starting, that category and priority and the resolution details information. Newly they have introduced in our newer version. So same option, what I have explained into the video 3 instance security center, same thing we need to follow it. If you not watching that video, please watch it. If you're not watching that video also, no problem, you directly come and see here and follow the steps, it will support you to improve your security score. This is number one, it's a pretty straightforward info. Next option we discussed about auditor, that means how to run the health scan from ServiceNow side. So that health scan also part of your instance security in the earlier version, but that health scan they have modified to our security center configuration area. So to access this, first you need to log in this security center configuration. After that, you should go to this security scanner. So once you click this security scanner, there are a plenty of options are there. This plenty of options, specifically you select suits. So in this suit, what type of health scan you are going to run, you need to name it. So here, already out of box related suits already there. It was named as access control auditor, deprecated APIs, security control activation, etc. So similar way, if you want to perform your one, then you just click new button and type the name. Now experts time, demo session, and just save it. Test the instance. Just save it. Once you click the save button, what it will support you is it will give you option called execute suit scan. So this will help you to run your scan. Once the scan is executed, the checks, child shoots, parent shoots, and schedule, those things it can be filled properly. But this schedule is except because schedule, if you want to perform some particular time, not manual intervention, so you can set the timing and you just move away based on the timing, it will automatically run. That's the meaning. So if you run, then what we discussed in the video number 3, part 3, instance security center, checks, findings, failures, those are all the things it will showcase after the execution of this scan. Now I'm just doing the execute scan. I just clicked the execute scan, shoot scan button now. So it is successfully completed, succeeded 100%, scan completed with zero warnings, zero errors, and zero findings. If any problem is there in your instance scan, it will show the count. Then you just click the result page. Then once you click the result page, it will route you to that page and will show the clear cut information about what is that. So we name it as net demo session. So here there is no finding count, completely zero. But if you take this one, access control auditor, this is already available in out of box scenario. When it ran, so that time it produced an error called 25 founding count. If you open this item, so in this 25 count, it will show clearly here what are all they, what is the problem currently we have. That information it is clearly highlighted here. It's similar like instance security center. So checks, what are all the checks are there. For any reason, any failures are there, then failures also highlighted here. So this is already out of box related item. If you go back and you just open what we created, what we ran now, then you can see the similar type of information. Answer no, because scan finding is zero. When the execution is completed, it clearly shows there is no problem. So there is no scan findings, no failures, no checks. Only suit is one. This one also like a parent child relationship. So here this is a parent and this is a child, so there is no mapping here, so that's the reason it shows as a suit one. So similar way you can run this, you can schedule this, or you can run this auditor job or a scan. Based on this, you can identify your platform state, what are all the problem currently we have. So you can easily identify it and focus those items and try to resolve it. So when you are resolving, and you can see the result of your health scan score, so this will completely help you. So if you didn't see the instant security center, that video, you just check it. So it's similar kind of functionality they build it. Only thing is they name it as a security center configuration. That is one. And another thing is some additional new functionality also they have given here. Example, you take this auditor finding trend. This auditor finding trend, what are all the problems currently available, those problems it will refer in a different auditing. So for example, if you see the result 018, this 018 it is showing an error. So similar way, if you go little down, 1 minute, I will take a result everything it shows is 018. No, see here you can see 017 also. So consolidating all scanning information, based on the scanning information, what are all the problem you faced earlier, everything is consolidated here. So the name itself, auditing. Auditing means it's do the auditing for all auditor jobs, all the health jobs. So what are all the error it is populating in the all the health jobs, everything it will be tracked in this option. So you should run every day or every week. Maximum you can plan for every week, so that you can identify the problem every week wise and you can resolve the problem one by one. So that is also good practice. If you have a different scope, like the business expecting the everyday job, then you just do the everyday job, and based on that you can identify the error and resolve the error. So this is one of the best way to improve your security score and platform score, and manage the best practices in your platform area. So the result what is supporting here is score improvement in the security and platform, and you are managing the scan and health for your platform, and what are all the day-to-day activities you need to perform, those all our items are handled in this security center configuration. It's an excellent feature, don't miss to use it. Please use as admin, this will give you more guidance how to maintain this instance properly. So I hope you enjoyed this session. When you see this video, first please see the part number 3, admin focus area instance security center, that means ISC. And if you come to this, then you can easily relate it, what is the older version and what is the newer version, how it is supporting. So thank you so much watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this session. Stay tuned and subscribe this channel for more different and niche items from ServiceNow. Once again, thank you and good day, goodbye.